Can a mucusless diet help you lose weight? Yes. The reason I'm saying that straight off the bat is because a mucusless diet consists of fruits, whether cooked or raw. It consists of non-starchy vegetables, all the different vegetables that we have, and it consists of leafy greens. Find me a single person who lives on that sort of diet, doesn't eat anything else, eats an abundance of those food groups, that is still struggling, that they're not on the decline of losing weight if they have weight to lose. Just find me a single person that has been on that diet for a month, 2-3 months, that hasn't seen a reconstruction in their body composition if they have weight to lose. Just find me. You won't. And the reason you won't be able to find this is because it is our species-specific food. Fruits and non-starchy vegetables, fruits and leafy greens is our species-specific diet. And no animal in nature, in the wild, eating according to their natural sensitivities and things that they're attracted to, is struggling with weight management. It will never happen. If you had a retreat, a mass retreat of people eating these foods, they would that want to lose weight, they will all see results. In fact, one of the main challenges that people actually have whenever they come on this lifestyle in the forums and online, and is they say that they ask, how can I actually maintain weight on this lifestyle? That is the opposite problem to people struggling to lose weight. People are actually asking, how do you maintain weight? There's even a section in the book, The Mucusless Diet Healing System, where Arnold Ehret addresses this himself, stating, if you find you're losing weight too rapidly, the elimination should be slowed down by eating bread or potatoes. I would recommend choosing potatoes because they are more nutritious, less inflammatory, and they are easier to digest. But this goes to show the nature of what happens when people come on a diet of fruits, non-starchy vegetables, and leafy greens. Obviously, I've got the answer. It's dates, bananas, mangoes in sufficient quantities every single day, day in, day out, and avoid doing extreme long-term water fast, dry fast, all these other sort of modalities that can cause people to experience extreme weight loss and then have issues with their digestion afterwards. So can you lose weight on a mucusless diet? Yes, 100%. And in the process of doing so, you will feel absolutely amazing.